Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Binance Dollar. First, understand that BUSD is a stable coin, meaning its value is designed to remain consistent, typically $1. This stability makes it a popular choice for traders looking to protect their assets from market fluctuations, or for those wanting to easily move funds within the crypto ecosystem. We will cover the straightforward steps to acquire BUSD directly on the Binance platform. To begin, you will need a verified Binance account. Visit the official Binance website or download their mobile app to register. The registration process is quick, requiring an email address and a strong password. After creating your account, complete the Essential Identity Verification, or KIC, by providing necessary documents. This step is crucial for security and compliance, typically taking only a few minutes to process. Finally, activate two-factor authentication for robust account protection. With your account set up, it is time to fund it. You have two primary options: deposit fiat currency directly using a bank transfer or credit card, or transfer existing cryptocurrencies from another wallet. Once your funds are available, go to the Buy Crypto section on Binance. Select BUSD from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Enter the amount you wish to purchase and confirm the transaction. The process is designed to be intuitive and fast, usually completing in under 1 minute. After your purchase, your BUSD will be visible in your Binance Spot wallet. From here, you can use it for various purposes, such as trading against other cryptocurrencies or participating in Binance Earn programs to generate passive income. For enhanced security, especially for larger amounts or long-term holding, consider transferring your BUSD to a personal hardware wallet. This provides an extra layer of protection against online threats. Always remember to keep your private keys safe and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.